Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can fix the no keyboard click sound problem even when you have your iPhone set on unmuted. So for example, I'm going to click my keyboard and as you can hear, there is no text sound even if I have my iPhone set on unmute. To fix that, just go to settings and then sounds and scroll to the very bottom and just toggle the buttons on for keyboard clicks and also lock sounds. Then now as you can see, I have my keyboard clicks turned on whenever I have my iPhone set on unmuted. So that is all I have for you today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave any of your questions in the comment section down below and I will happily answer them. You can also leave suggestions for future tutorial videos that you would like to see me do, and I will make them for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!